Boom. 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 1, that's 3. Quick maths. Everyday man's on the block. Smoke trees. See your girl in the park.
What is up, guys? Today we're back in the video. Today I'm gonna be cooking a cicada. If you don't know, if you see this guy, he is dying. This poor guy, so that's why I'm cooking him. So I'm looking up how to make this cicada. Nervous, very nervous to try this. I just put in some of my homemade guac. Let's try this. Wow. It's good. Wow, that is good. Whoa. Cooked hard tastes really good. Whoa. So, oh, wow. That is amazing. Real amazing.